Hey everyone, my name is Charity Worley, and I have created my Powtoon presentation. I want to talk to you. This is on the 4 C's. The first one I created was on critical thinking. When you're thinking about critical thinking with coaching digital learning, I like to use examples. So with my 5th graders, we do the 50 states, and first I ask them to think about what state they want to do their research on. And so they always analyze and look at the different states that are in the United States. They interpret which ones that relate to them, that they would enjoy the most to do their projects on, and then they make a decision on which one they're actually going to do. And so they use Google to research those different states. They come up with a Google slide to present it with, and some of them have even gone into using other sites such as screencasts like I am using now to present their project, where they can use their own voice to present that. The next one is communication, and that's where the students share their thoughts and opinions. So as they're critically thinking about the state that they want to, they collaborate with their peers on ideas that they might have with researching their state. So like if a pair is, one's thinking about California, the other one might be thinking about researching Nevada, so they would work together in deciding which state that they're going to do and talk about why they want to do their state. The next one is collaborate, and that goes in with communication. It's where they work with others. In the past, I have done where they can actually work in partners, where they would share a state and they would split up the project and work half and half on finding the facts of the states. And this year actually we've done it individually, but the students when they present their projects, they're going to present it to their group, and so actually the group will give feedback of what they liked about that state and what they didn't like. And carrying over into that would be my last one, which would be creativity. They brainstorm ideas on how to make their projects better. When they're given an assignment the next time, they're responsive to those ideas. So they communicate, and like the person that presented it, and they're getting feedback from their classmates. They're responsive in telling them how that made them feel, and so when we talk about the project itself, they work together in learning how to be in a positive responsive into that, so that there's no negative feelings. And then they also have a sheet they're given where they make the ideas useful, or where for next year students, when they do their state projects, they actually give them tips to help them with making their project better. And so that's the 4 C's that with critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity.